Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the state has initiated interventions to promote collaboration and partnership with Japan, leveraging the bilateral relationship that India shares with Japan. Discussing the economic partnership agreement aimed at strengthening economic ties between the two nations at the 5th India-Japan conclave held in Guwahati, the Chief Minister said that the state has opened opportunities for its youth to undergo training for employment in Japan. Starting with a few nurses who were recruited, the state has now opened vast opportunities with a target to train as many as 3,000 nurses in the coming years.
Expand and become into huge opportunities where our two nations can really work with each other and at the same time economically prosper. And it is this relationship and trust and the efforts by our Honorable Prime Minister which has motivated states like ours and many other states to take the step towards improving that partnership at the state level also with Japan. I'm very, very clear in terms of the strategy for a state like ours. We're not a very big state, and there are certain areas of strengths that we have, certain opportunities that we have, and we would like to be very focused in the way we move forward.
In a historic milestone for railway